Dr. K. K. Matthews Heart sings, I was born in Jesus. I live with Jesus. I live in Jesus. I live for Jesus. I will die in Jesus. Dr. K. K. Matthew is a renowned physician, medical scientist, and English poet of international repute. He is a reputed novelist and philosopher. Jesus has done many miracles through him. Reference my blogs in his website www.matthewpagalomatam.org. Dr. Matthew has come to the realization that he is a big zero and everything in him in Jesus. Dr. Matthew presents here a photographs of divine marks of Jesus. He bore on his body between the year 2002 and 2014. After that, they disappeared. One must look at the photograph with a spellbound concentration and positive frame of mind. The very purpose of publishing these photographs is to assert the presence of Jesus Christ amidst us. Most likely, these photographs are the first of their kind in history. Figure 1. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the photograph of my image in the mirror placed in my consulting room. One can see a figure resembling a cross on my forehead. If one looks at the cross carefully, one can see a figure hanging at the center of the cross. This mark is for me only to see in the mirror. Those who are standing behind me, looking at the same angle where I am looking at the mirror, he or she can see what I see. This mark appeared in the year 2002 and it disappeared after 14 years. Figure 2. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the photograph of a mark which appeared in the year 2003. On the front side of my left forearm near the wrist joint, one can see here a figure resembling a cross. The faint mark of a heart encircling the cross is also seen. This mark vanished after 4 years. Figure 3. Dr. Matthews tells, these figures appeared in the year 2004 on the lower and outer part of my right and left thumbs. One can see a figure resembling a cross or an angel on my right thumb and a dove on my left thumb. These figures vanished after 2 years. Dove is the symbol of the Holy Spirit. Figure 4. Dr. Matthews tells, This is the figure 3 when its side is turned. One can see a dove about to fly on my left thumb and dove flying on my right thumb. Figure 5. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the photograph of a figure which appeared in the year 2005 on the medial side of my right wrist joint. One can see a dove carrying a cross on its right wing. The tail of the dove also bears 2 small crosses. This figure disappeared after 3 years. Figure 6. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the figure 5 when its side is turned. One can see a manly figure walking with its face turned backwards. It appears as if the personification of the Holy Spirit, which leads us every day. Figure 7. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the figure 5 when its side is turned again. Here one can see a manly figure with a beard wearing a crown on the left side and the dove on the right side hugging the manly figure with its wings. It appears that these figures represent the Son of God and the Holy Spirit. Figure 8. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the figure 5 when its side is rotated again. One can see here the dove flying with the cross. It appears that one can achieve the Holy Spirit only through the cross. There is no other way. Figure 9. Dr. Matthews tells, Figure 9a. Look at the figure from a distance. One can see a figure resembling the face of Jesus. This figure appeared on the outer side of my left forearm, just above the wrist joint in the year 2006. This mark started fading in the year 2011. Dr. Matthews tells, Figure 9b. It is taken by focusing camera on the figure 9a from a distance. One can see a face resembling that of Jesus. Figure 10. Dr. Matthews tells, This is the photograph of a mark on the upper and front side of my left wrist joint. One can see a figure resembling Jesus Christ hanging on the cross with a crown of thorns over its head. This mark appeared in the year 2007 and vanished after 3 years. Figure 11. Dr. Matthews tells, This is the figure 10 when its side is rotated. One can see at the center a figure resembling the face of Holy Mary looking down. Figure 12. Dr. Matthews tells, This is the photograph of a mark which appeared on the medial side of my right forearm, just below the wrist joint. One can see the figure of a dove. This mark appeared in the year 2010 and vanished after 1 year. Figure 13. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the mark which appeared in the year 2013 on the medial side of my left forearm, 9 centimeters below the wrist joint. One can see here the shadow of the cross and a face resembling that of Jesus Christ in front. This mark vanished after 2 years. Figure 14. Dr. Matthews tells, the photograph of 2 marks which appeared on the inside part of my left palm. One can see a figure resembling the face of Jesus on the right side in slanting view. Again, one can see a face resembling that of Jesus in agony on the cross in slanting view on the left side. This figure appeared in the year 2014 and vanished after 1 year. Figure 15. Dr. Matthews tells, this is the photograph of a mark which appeared on the inside part of my right palm. One can see a figure resembling a heart with a dark spot inside. This mark appeared in the year 2014 and disappeared after 6 months. Dr. K.K. Matthew is a person whose life was a quest for decades. A search one after another, and at last he found out the truth. He found it is nothing but Jesus Christ. His personal and professional life is Christ-centered. His body was spiritually dissected out by his intense faith in Jesus. The world and worldly are separated from him, and his soul is liberated from the grip of worldly passions and aspirations. His deep senses are open now. He sees and hears with them. He hears the words of Jesus. He has only one duty to perform, just to follow Jesus. Jesus has gifted Dr. K.K. Matthew with his marks on Dr. Matthew's body during the period between the year 2002 and 2014. This video presents the photographs of those divine marks, proving the presence of Jesus Christ amidst us. Dr. K.K. Matthew, MD, Senior Consultant Physician, Pradeeksha, KP Road, Kayamkulam, in Alappuzha District, Kerala, India. PIN 690502. Email drkkmatthew@gmail.com. Phone 0479 244 5976.